Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit that is diamond painted with crystals only. The kit is from the company Crystal Canvas Art Designs and the name of the kit is Autumn Harvest. So this is the completed diamond painting from the company Crystal Canvas Art Designs. What's unique about this company, I'm pretty sure that the majority of people who follow my channel already know, is that Amy, the owner of the store, sells only kits with crystals. This kit, the Autumn Harvest, contains 29 colors. It is a full drill diamond painting kit that is diamond painted with crystals only. The only color that is not fully crystal is black, and I would say it's matte. It doesn't look like a regular resin drill, but it is matte in comparison to other drills. Technique-wise, it was a pleasure to diamond paint this kit. Everything was of a perfect quality, starting from the canvas itself and ending with the crystals of a wonderful high quality. The canvas is of a regular material, polyester as far as I understand, but again, of a wonderful quality poured glue, and I enjoyed diamond painting this kit because I think that it turned out really very detailed with lots of definition. Look at the corn. You can see every single kernel in it. And again, in the beginning of the video, you saw how the canvas looked, how pale it was. Look how it turned out complete. And just wanted to mention that the video does not reflect its real beauty. It looks way brighter than what you see now on your screens, and it sparkles so intense, because when I look at the phone now at my screen, I do not see any sparkle whatsoever. In real life, The sparkle is amazing. But in any case, the size of the diamond painting is 50 by 60 centimeters. And again, for the size, it turned out amazingly detailed. Amazingly detailed. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. This is not the first diamond painting that I'm working on from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. I completed 2 already, and I have one more in my storage. One is mermaid and the other one is cross. And I love how both of them turned out. This is the third one and I'm in love with it. I already purchased a frame. Here it is, and let me show you how it looks framed. And this is how it looks already framed. I bought the frame, I think, in Target, very cheap, for $13. And the frame is super cheap, actually. Like, the quality of the frame is really very cheap. But it is very light and it fits perfectly the size of the diamond painting. It is really very simple, golden, although this is plastic, of course, but it does not take your attention from the design itself. So I really like how it turned out. I love how it looks framed, and I'm going to hang it on the wall. And now when I'm keeping it like this, the angle like this, that's how it sparkles. Not all, it doesn't show all the sparkle, but at least you can see how it sparkles in real life. That's how it sparkles, you see? Now you can see the glimpse of shimmering of the drills like this. So I guess it depends on how it stands. I don't know whether it's vertical or whether it is lying or standing, I'm not sure. But this is the real sparkle of it. You see, like this. Beautiful, beautiful diamond painting. Thank you so much, Amy. Please do not stop and keep working on new designs. No, not sure if I mentioned it before, but I paid $27 for this diamond painting kit. It was not on sale. This is the original price, but on sale, of course, it will be cheaper. But to tell you the truth, I didn't really want even to wait for the sale because the work is so beautiful that I thought that Amy would run out of this kit, so I purchased it right away. Not sure if it is still available, although I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you soon.